Welcome to my channel, Break the Snow.
Hi friends, do you know our body is the best detoxifying machine in the universe? But still, the amount of toxins we take into our body sometimes beat the power of our natural detoxification system, and that's the primary reason for all the diseases. Toxins enter into our body in several ways, mainly through food, medicines, drugs, alcohol, smoke, polluted air, shampoos, face creams, plastic, and so on. For example, everyone thinks bread is a simple food. But look at the ingredients used to make the modern bread. You will be surprised to see dozens of chemicals. Oh my god. Our body tries to eliminate these toxins through a system of lungs, kidneys, liver, and lymph nodes. But we don't care. We keep eating the processed junk food every day and in fact every hour. That causes accumulation of toxins because we are dumping the toxins well beyond the capacity of our detoxification system. That makes it essential to cleanse our body periodically with a set of natural detoxification drinks. Now I'm starting a 5-day course of detox drinks to detox, repair and rejuvenate your body. Let's do 2 days of detoxification, 2 days of repair and 1 day of rejuvenation. If you miss 1 day, don't worry. You can continue the course on the next day. Stick to vegetarian diet during this course if possible. Now I am starting the 5-day course from Monday morning with the Celery Lemonade. Take 6 to 7 celery sticks. Celery helps in fat burning and also flushes toxins out of the body. Chop them into small pieces. Take a lemon and cut a half of it and keep it aside. Toss the celery pieces into a blender jar. Add 1 cup of water to this. Grind them into a smooth juice. Filter the juice to remove the pulp. You can drink along with the pulp if you like, but I filter that out to enjoy the smooth flavor. Now squeeze half lemon into this juice. Lemon helps in cutting down extra fat. To this add little honey. The vitamins in honey helps in increasing metabolism. Mix it up, that's all, our celery lemonade is ready. This juice is very beneficial for weight loss and detoxification. The juice is so yummy and you will love it for sure. Tuesday morning, detoxification with a special ginger turmeric tea. Take some ginger and chop it into pieces. Ginger activates metabolism. Mash it up little bit and keep it aside. Take 2 cups of water in a steel bowl and start boiling. Add 1 tablespoon of mashed ginger to this. Add half teaspoon of black pepper. Pepper helps in improving digestion. To this, add a pinch of turmeric. Turmeric anti-inflammatory properties helps in detoxification. Allow this to boil for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, turn off the flame. Now take 2 matcha green tea bags. You can also use plain green tea bags. Put them into the water and let it cool down. After it was cooled down, remove the tea bags and filter the contents. Squeeze a slice of lemon into this. That's all. Our special ginger turmeric detox tea is ready. Wow, this is really tasty, but it is slightly spicy. If you cannot take this much of spice, you can add a little bit more water and boil it again for 2 or 3 more minutes and have it. Wednesday morning, repair with cucumber grape splash. Take 1 medium-sized cucumber and cut it into pieces. Cucumber helps to flush out toxins, rehydrates and repairs the cells. Toss the cucumbers into a blender jar and add handful of grapes to this. Grapes help to detoxify and repair the system. Add small amount of mint leaves to this. Mint helps in digestion and weight loss. Give it a spin to form a smooth juice.
Using a strainer, remove the pulp. To this, add a pinch of black pepper. In a separate glass, toss some ice cubes, add few mint leaves, and squeeze half a lime. Pour our cucumber juice into this. That's all, our cucumber grape splash is ready.
Wow, it's awesome. I thought I would not like this, but it's really yummy and awesome. The best way to repair your body.
Thursday morning, repair with kale palm kick. Take a bunch of kale and chop it lightly. Kale is rich in antioxidants, protein, and phytochemicals. They help in reduction of body fat and heart health. Stuff this kale into a juicer jar. Add half cup of pomegranate seeds. Pomegranate helps in preventing cancers and heart diseases. Now add 1 cup of water. Give it a spin until you get a smooth juice. In a separate glass, add ice cubes. Filter out the pulp using a strainer. To this juice, add a pinch of Himalayan pink salt and add a pinch of black pepper. Give it a mix. That's all. The powerful and yummy detox and weight loss drink is ready. Friday morning, rejuvenate with berry blast. This is so simple. Just toss 1 cup of strawberries and 1 cup of blueberries into a blender jar. The rich antioxidants help in skin glow and hair growth along with fat burning benefits. Give them a spin. That's all. The berry blast is ready.
This is a delicious drink.
When you take this course, you will see significant fat burning, weight loss, feeling energetic, improvement in constipation, healthy bowel movements, and improvement in hair growth and skin glow. Thank you. Please like our video and subscribe. Tap on bell notification to get more interesting videos.